4 years.
Yeah, 4 years. But she was not in contact, recently came back to contact. Whether earlier civil service was mostly for people who knows history, geography, anthropology, social, public administration, such people scored very good. Because those days engineering was not very common. Medical was only very selected people, not too many doctors. Why? Why not too many doctors? Earlier there were not too many doctors. Why? Anything when I say immediately you could ask question. That question is what I need. There were less problems for people. Nobody goes to hospital just like that. In my childhood, I think in whole district there was no dentist. Nobody had a problem for teeth. Because we use our finger, do like this, and it is pressed inside. Now people don't use it, it comes out. And then go to dentist and pull it back. The lifestyle makes us sure. See, we didn't have a brush. What we do in Andhra Pradesh, even if you go to village now, they use a stick for brushing.
Neem stick?
Yeah, neem stick. So when you use the stick, what will happen? Definitely it goes with the pressure inside, right?
Yes.
Now all the brushes are not using that pressure because the feather is what is touching, not the stick. There could be some side effect, some problem, your best advantage. But what I'm saying, one of the advantage of that, people have never had problems because everybody eats at home. Number of hotels were less. Number of hotels are less. Number of hospitals also will be less. Medical colleges are less. People don't opt. I remember my eldest brother got admission in MBBS. He did not join. He became a zoology professor because teachers were must regarded best, because today everybody earns a lot of money becoming a doctor. They cheat people. Most of the doctors cheat people by I remember one patient from Thrissur. Her husband is in Gulf, had sent me the medical report. She had fever, but for last 3 months every day she is taking some other tablet for some other disease. Understood? Once you stop, again fever will come. That is the prescription given. So that continuously he will get the case. Doctors are cheaters. Actually, sometimes they are cheaters. Okay. So what happened? Brightest people or those who want to make money, they went to doctor, engineering. Medicine engineering took the brightest people. And some of them after 5 years, 4 years, they thought, yeah, I must write civil service. Questions also changed. Long back questions were subject, how do you administer Indian politics, some questions from history. But nowadays IAS is not that. They use lot of logical reasoning, analytical skill, decision making ability. All that is given importance, which require an entirely good analytical brain. Analytical brain is, see, when you wrote, I know content, I know, but I don't live with the content. I looked at it critically. When you send a message, I ask you critically. Sometimes it is very difficult because no, I'm behaving like an officer, I'm behaving like a teacher. Everywhere I do that. That will have a lot of problem for me. But still my students will get benefit, I'm 100% sure. Because I'm teaching them, right? So what is essential? You must look at, do you have that ability? That is what they will test in all the exams. How do you get? Every day you should do that practice. See, 10 lakhs people write exam. Do you think Indian Administrative Service Selection, UPSC, out of which you have to select maybe 10,000 people. That means 1 out of 1,000 they have to select. Don't you think somebody can not do a computer test and then select 10,000 first? So that UPSC result can be published in one day, maybe 1 week. Then conduct a main examination in another 1 month. Then they select 500 people, 5 panels can interview 1 month and finish 3 months selection process. But do you know IAS selection is how many months it takes? Over a year, almost a year. You write this year, next year only you go for interview. Why? That is because it is not checking somebody's knowledge. Knowledge can be checked through optional computer test. That can give you certificate like +1, +2, 10th class, all examination. Any test can be done like that. But here it's an entirely different style. Your handwriting matters. Your writing skill matters. Paragraph writing. How do you separate paragraph? And it is not optional subject. Optional questions. Most of them are not optional questions. It is not one subject. All the subjects in the world comes inside the examination. Assume I can study all the subject in my examination. That is what is explained here. This book link already I have sent you on WhatsApp. Already given. And assume Dr. TPS UPSC, when you search, I am sure you will see this book. Or you look at my video earlier, there were a lot of discussions in which I am mentioning this book. That itself will tell you. So what you should do is, do all that homework so that I don't have to repeat. You also know, yeah, I know this much. Then when you meet me, you can tell, I know this much from you and I want something extra. Because you were asking main examination, what subject is to be selected. That is what your question was. I keep saying, if somebody wanted to write main examination, they can select any subject which they want. They can write in mother tongue. Your question was Hindi. You can write in your own mother tongue a civil service examination. Nobody will question. Earlier people thought it is a disadvantage. But I feel sometimes it is an advantage for you. Because assume you are writing in Malayalam. Not many people will write. In Kerala also many people will not write. Only very few will write. Who will evaluate it? Only who are Keralate, who can read, will evaluate. 100% sure? Yes. So don't you think I will feel my children who are from Kerala should get?
Yes, yes.
So don't I push them?
Yes.
Correct or not? Yeah, but that is not really true, because you can write that only after good English language skill. Because English language cannot be avoided. That is one of the bunch knowledge, not preliminary English. You need to have an advanced English knowledge also. So assume you know the subject, you know English thoroughly well. Do you think selecting a subject becomes a big difference? It will not make much difference. It depends on how much confidence you have. Okay. So what happens? Most of the students who are in engineering, medicine, any economics also sometimes, geography also. Somebody likes history. But history is a huge subject. So questions can come from anywhere. Therefore they think when they wanted to write final examination, they will select anthropology, public administration. They are all very small. It is not too huge subject. So what you select depends on, but there are students who got through commerce and accountancy also, they got civil service, IAS, very good ranks. If you look at statistics, there are lot of children who got accountancy, bookkeeping, or maybe commerce and accountancy, such subjects which they have taken as optional, and they got below 100, below 200 is a good rank. They got. Engineering, generally people don't take. Mathematics, generally don't take. There are many options. They don't take at all because it's huge. And your knowledge not in the graduation level. In the post-graduation level is what they will check. Though your qualification is BCom, the questions what will come is all MCom. And it is not a direct question. Questions can be entirely twisted. Question will not be what you studied in the syllabus. Question will be how are you analyzing the present situation in trade and commerce with the knowledge which you learned in your classroom. So for which you need general knowledge, you need to have, when GST comes immediately you must know how much percentage with the GST the state contribution of tax goes to central government. What is the benefit for customer? What is the benefit for people who are in trade? What is the benefit for the people who are in production? What is the benefit for each government? What is the advantage in administration? Because not many taxes, so that many places you don't have to pay. What will happen when somebody takes some item from Tamil Nadu to Kerala? The sales tax, you will see some stoppages, sales tax checking. GST case, what will happen? Whether that will remain or not. So these are a lot of questions which has to come when you are in a commerce student. It is not for commerce student. For any Indian, that should be there. See, I am not a commerce student, but I am a student of most of the items. But I am not a student who academically grown up in commerce. But still I have all these questions. I can just take up example like this and speak to you. So, do you have that ability? That ability should come not after preliminary pass. When main examination come, that 6 months I will get this ability. No, you will not get. That ability is every day, every moment, everything what you see. If I have got an analytical skill, I will have analytical skill for everything. Got it? So if you have that ability, if you understand such, any subject is okay for you. Which you study for graduation, gain up to post-graduation knowledge, or do post-graduation, and then that is what is to be done. Even that is true with most of the examinations. Assume that Indian Statistical Service, Indian Economic Service, Indian Forest Service. Indian Forest Service is somebody takes zoology, it is not a graduation zoology. Post-graduation zoology knowledge is must. Basically, English, general knowledge, current affairs, all that, and a good analytical skill, preliminary can be passed. And once you pass preliminary, they will give you sufficient time so that you can decide. Yeah. Actually, if you are a brilliant student who knows most of the subjects, maybe first attempt main will be difficult, but second attempt will be good because first attempt you already wrote once and then you know. Then you are getting actually 1.5 years to study. Or you are bright, you may get some lower services like Indian Revenue Service. It's not that lower. Okay, maybe there are 50 odd lower classes. So you will get somewhere. Indian Postal Service. And people, what do? When they reach there, again they will write exam. And then improve their rank. When you improve rank, you can get into whichever service you want. So, when you are in +1, +2, what is to be bothered? If you already passed +1, +2, you joined for graduation. If basically...
Huh? I'm doing.
Louder, madam.
I'm doing my +2 now.
Which subject?
Commerce.
No, that should come. I need not ask. That's what I said. Don't give no ration in words. See, I am doing not enough. I am doing commerce. That is also not enough. Because in whole India, it is not commerce. I am sure plus 1, plus 2 is not one subject.
Yes.
Plus 1, plus 2, there are 3 subjects minimum. So it can be maths, economics, commerce. In Hyderabad, there are options. Most of the colleges, good colleges, will give you maths, economics, commerce. So mathematics will give you an ability to analyze things carefully. The intuition of looking at every word by word, because mathematics lies in between words sometimes. Now I am teaching BBA students the business communication, campus to corporate. Actually, I am not teaching communication. I am teaching in between words where mathematics can be seen. How do you convert English into mathematics? That ability is essential for you to pass logical reasoning, analytical skill, verbal ability, and all that. So many questions will be there. And what will happen if you have this ability? When you read newspaper also, we had a session with Milka reading newspaper. Have you seen that, Hannah? You are part of it? Yeah, look at it. But I have not seen a second request and a second communication on that. Otherwise, we will continue. It should not happen end with one. So when you read a newspaper, we will look at it. What you should look for. How do you analyze? How do you write a brief about the news? This ability you have, you look at everything very carefully. That has to be your practice. So it's the right time, plus 1, plus 2. Actually, people start quite early, but most of the people start probably during this time. So what is to be done when you are in plus 1, plus 2? Study your subjects thoroughly. Selection of, anyway, because you are in commerce stream, you have not having many options. If you are a science student, they can go to any option. Correct? Because you are in commerce, you have only maybe political science or maybe history or economics or commerce or BA or BCom. That's the only option, right? BA or BCom, finished. Any subject is almost the same. But if you are very serious, you wanted to invest a lot of time in preparation, take light subjects, so that you are not burdened by academics. Some subjects are very tough in academics. Suppose you have commerce, you will have a lot of things to do. Assume that you have a computer and commerce as an option. Correct? So you will have to attend. But even if you attend 200 working days, 5 hours, 1000 hours per year only you are spending. Academics will not take much of time. You understood? 1000 hours is only 1000 hours is, assume that per day you spend 10 hours, it will become only 100 days. 100 days is 1/3 of a year only. 3 months is only you are spending for academics. The rest 9 months you have with you. Assume you are doing engineering, probably that will become 6 months, because you will have to attend lab, lot of assignments. Assume that you are learning architecture. No way, every day there will be a lot of things to draw. So most of the subjects where you want to read and acquire knowledge, and assume your subject is close to general knowledge. That is you to decide. Syllabus will not decide. But you have to read every day a newspaper, then you know how to relate to them. That's why I gave an example of GST. Assume you are such a person who gets some directions to look at it in that style. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Today, what is the speciality of this day? Anna can tell first. 26th November, what is speciality? For India, what is special? Yeah, Milka.
National Constitution Day.
Yeah, that's it, the answer. And immediately you should see who are the people involved. Which year, Milka?
think so, 1947. Oh, 1950, 50. Or
Na-
49, 50, I don't really remember.
It cannot be 50 because 26th January we adopted constitution. It was,
Ah, okay.
so it has to be before that. That is logical. You understood. This is how we remember.
Yes, yes. So it's 50, 47, 40, 48.
Don't guess. These are all things what you should have readily available.
Yes.
You are an Indian. You need not to study everything and every day. Today, this is the day. That day, related to that, at least read. Not even read, discuss. Probably you have to teach your parents, you discuss with your parents so that it becomes in your brain, part of your brain. Anyway, I am an old man, I have nothing else to do. So today I was fully listening to some discussions, some talk. Prime Minister was talking to Gujarat people. There was a great session. Some Munshi was talking there. And then when we listen, it again, that is how we read general knowledge. See, the speakers started telling great things about Gujarat. Then, it comes into mind. Patel was from Gujarat, Mahatma Gandhi is from Gujarat, Modi is from Gujarat. Like that, no? Got it? So when he keep on, Sarabhai was in Gujarat, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, many contributions by Gujarati people. So when we read, you don't have to learn that in a textbook. We keep listening, but not just keep listening. I am able to recollect and tell you this. So why am I listening? I am listening to get it into my heart, get it into my brain. I am relating. Then immediately I thought, yeah, what a stupid Kerala. Why did I take birth in Kerala? I should have been in Gujarat. Immediately I have some friends in Gujarat. I thought I should talk to them. And then I felt I worked in Gujarat. That itself is a big gift. Understood?
Yes.
And that's also another great man from Kerala went to Gujarat and changed the agriculture. Today there is a Bandh. So they are all demanding for agricultural support. That is one of the item. Agricultural people need support. Then I was thinking there is a great man.
Anand Dairy.
Yeah, Anand Dairy, Korean. So when you relate that today's Bandh, that day farmer and that reaches to farm he connected to milk, dairy farm is also dairy farm. So the white revolution is by him. I remember when we had a session in Hyderabad holiday program, one day I said, there is a great man like this. I had a discussion. Then I don't know why the topic was discussed, but we discussed. So I was looking at that was some related to this topic. I was in Anand for some time. I visited Anand Dairy Farm and all that, Milma, and they run a MBA program, the first rural MBA in rural management. IRMA, it's called IRMA. So these are all related knowledge. So jump from one knowledge to another knowledge. Hanna is in a right time, right place. It's a right time actually. Got it? Keep relating, look at it, improve your all this ability. Look at English very, very carefully. And I'm sure you don't have to, you can take any subject, commerce or economics or politics or history. Even people take history, but they have an MA, they will not write because they find it is too large. And I'm sure you don't have anthropology when you take Kannur University, there is an anthropology department. But I find most of the teachers or students are not really very good. Just because they do a BA anthropology and MA anthropology doesn't make you good in writing anthropology for civil service. It's not direct question, that's what I'm saying. It is not syllabus and question. That's not. You should have that ability to analyze and think. That is what is essential. And understand it is not like a common examination. I keep saying when you lose one question, do wrong, you do it well, you get 2 marks. You lose, then 0.6 percentage or 0.6 marks or something is gone. That means you are actually losing 2.6 marks. When you lose 2.6 marks, actually in the number of people, if you compute, you are going nearly 4,000 to 5,000 rank back. One question will throw you 4,000 rank back. Understood? So if you make 3 mistakes or 4 mistakes, you are behind 10,000 to 20,000 people, finished. Is it not a very crucial examination?
Yes, indeed.
And not even that, when you write examination in the exam hall, you have commerce, means only commerce question will come. Here one will be commerce, next will be history, next will be anthropology, next will be politics, next geography. Keep on changing subjects. So shifting your brain from one to another to another to another is a great skill you should have. If you have that skill, why do you worry about which subject I learned? So many people are concerned. That's why I'm making it very clear. It's not that Milka does her LLB in National Law College. Probably law is not a great option for civil service main exam. It's a huge subject. LLB, when we learn itself, we know how huge is that. I taught LLB, so I know how difficult is that subject. Jurisprudence, evidence law. No, you should have all the books beside you. Evidence law. CRPC, CPC, when you come, you have to quote many things. Number you have to quote. Constitution itself is quoting different numbers, create a lot of problems unless you relate to that, and then you have a good brain. LLB passing is simple because some same syllabus, same question, same. Always some same. Priyanka, how many times she got married? How did law supported to her to get out of that problem of marriage? Many people, now you can change your name to Priyanka Gandhi, change father's name and give a, and then Priyanka can marry to Rajiv Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi's daughter Priyanka Gandhi married to somebody else. You can get a marriage certificate. That is Indian law. I can sell Charminar today to Milka. I think only I have to go to a, that is our registration rule. I want only 2 evidences and somebody to buy. I can sell it. See, these, what they will not teach you this in the law, there will be a lot of questions. That will be practical. The practical question can be when you become a collector, there is a case like this. In your case, how do you involve? Will be the question. Whether you study law or not is not a matter there. You are the district magistrate, so definitely you should learn a lot of law. So you have to learn, but that doesn't mean you must know law up to the post graduation level. Minimum things you will have to know. Okay. Good that you asked me, and I could have answered it just like that. Typed, yeah, which subject you want to take, you say 1, 2, 3, yeah, out of this is best, but that's not good enough. That's why I thought I have a story to tell you. Yeah. Anything more to ask? It could be anything else also.
Done.
Yeah. Milka, you have anything else? Asha is also there, I think.
Doctor?
Yeah, Milka, your video is good. I have not seen in the morning. I had a class.
Thank you.
So afternoon only I saw.
It is.
But without seeing also, I have sent a message good. I know it will be good because somebody takes effort, it has to be good.
It was the 20 recorded, and my phone was filled, and
I got a few.
phone was
No,
stuck.
what should be done is every time the phone need to be cleared. I will not have anything on my no. Every day I will look at it. If not required, the download option itself is disabled. Only when I decide I wanted to download, it will download. My computer also every day, like otherwise you can imagine all this I am recording, not in one. Audio recorded, video recorded on a camera, here it is recorded. All the three I have to put together. Once it is posted on YouTube, everything is clean. But then I will have backlog, many. But something which I feel important very fast, which I can do. Today I posted one BA English question on the history of English. What Hannah should do is look at English, look at classes like that, maybe grammar. Many people ask, but I may not come every time, it will not come. Yesterday we had a session on microbiology, I think, genetics. But then it needs a lot of time to edit. So, or maybe sometimes something fails, then I will not be able to post it. If it comes sometime, I will post. So most of the subjects could be there. Whatever you see, make a small comment. When you write a comment, there are 2-3 things you look at your English. You improve. If there is something, probably I'll send a message. Right? So that improves your writing skill, analytical skill. How do you look at things? All that will improve. And your attitude also will change. Probably you know how to respond to things. Actually, there are few very good discussions where I had a good discussion with somebody. We feel like talking to them hours together because the response is too good. Kerala people don't know how to respond. You are all conjuice. You don't even speak out. But
It's weird.
those American people and all know, they really appreciate. You can see yesterday, I think I posted one discussion with Dharma. He is in America for last 20 years. The way he responds. Otherwise you are silent watchman. You will not even involve. You don't show face. You don't show your voice. It's like ration. No, it should not be.
Yes.
You go to a doctor and he don't speak to you. Only does testing and give medicine. Will you be happy with him?
Oh.
Yeah. So communication is must, no? Yeah.
Yes, doctor.
Asha has anything to ask? She needs special invitation. Then only she will show face. Then only she will speak.
No, sir. Actually, I was doing something else. I'm listening to you and doing something else.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not on video. I'm actually multitasking. Otherwise, I would have come.
No problem. Yeah.
Sir, my question is, how do you always keep your spirits up?
I don't have.
Always very,
I am a good actor sometimes.
but doesn't seem like you're acting.
Sometimes I am not acting, but everyone in this world has got ups and downs. No, we become upset, we become tired. That is why probably I will write something saying that I am not a joker who can make everybody happy. I am a serious person. I am a serious
Pardon?
person.
Serious, pardon.
I am a serious person. I am not a joker.
Ha.
So maybe I am showing a very risky activity in the circus. But then I don't even get a clap. Nobody laughs. Nobody shows any spirit. They will just blindly look at him. And immediately a joker comes and then he does some comic. Everybody starts clapping, laughing. He is very famous.
Yes, sir. Like the way you said, I think in our society also actors are really respected far more than in
No,
Government.
actors.
Government is
No, I
similar
said,
to that.
I said in that context, like, assume you look, take Kerala politics. It's a big circus. in which there are joker. Every day they come, one hour they speak stupid things, and there is somebody who comes and then speaks. All that people are very great people, no?
Yeah.
So they are all jokers. Joker is not what category which we take it serious. They are not to be taken serious, but they got a limelight probably because many people are looking at it. Many people talk about it. But my concern is no good movie, no good TV time is invested for giving knowledge for children.
Yeah, right.
You understood? 24 hours a channel runs just for jokers.
I think people get to that league when one day they don't they don't watch the TV, I mean news.
No,
They will feel irritated.
no, many
And
people
if they
see,
feel that,
many people today are looking at news as a fun time. It is not gathering news. See, for maybe last 1 month, I must have invested more than 100 hours to look at serious stories.
in news,
No, Netflix, there is a beautiful story, The Crown. It gives the history of the British Queen.
British Empire.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing, you know. See, there are a lot of great things where you can invest time. Netflix, now I think 2 days is free.
Yes, December 5.
So people should catch. See, that is, and beautiful movies. Lot of message.
Yeah.
I have seen the movie Joker the day it is released. Beautiful movie. I am not talking about Kerala, Malayalam, the English Joker.
Got the Oscars also.
Yeah.
For the
I have
best
seen Parasite the day it is released. Luckily, I was in America the day it was released.
It is a beautiful.
So, there are serious stories which people say, but that is not being looked at it in that sense. So, I'm a person who looks at things very seriously, understand things from that. So, when that is not being probably, you know, given the spirit, that is not, so I may be down sometime, but that doesn't mean I am down for 1 week, you know. That's only a fraction of feeling, but immediately Henna asked me to discuss something, I am cheered up. So that's my lifeline.
Okay. Sir, what is your point on the recent government is going to regulate the content that is being streamed on Netflix or Voot or any other digital platform? So what is your point?
There are already regulatory bodies on all this. There are specific IT acts on all this. But even there are IT acts, I will tell you, if somebody send me an email or on my YouTube somebody send me a bad message, I have got a facility, I will read that, then approve, then only it comes. But I am sure the day I clear not make it, if I don't restrict that, do you know how many messages I delete? There are a lot of emails which comes which are unacceptable to me. But am I going to every day going to file case against this? Then my time will be only that.
No, sir. Actually, I think the government passed this law for regulating that because there are certain bias.
No, that is not. It is not regulating. Asha did not understand. It is not regulating. If somebody see that, like a police is seeing, immediately police can take a case. It's like the state is at risk because such people should not be entertained. It is otherwise today individual can complain. Instead of that, now police can see that the state is responsible. So what is the contention? The contention there is, if such power is given to police, wherever he want to catch people, they will go and catch them. Wherever they want to relax people, they will tell them, no, don't post it, remove it. That's it. So there will be a bias because you are giving the power to the to the police. They may misuse. That is the only contention.
creative world, they say that they are actually they're actually not getting the creative freedom anymore.
That is all. I think creative freedom need not be vulgarious, right? So I am not sure whether police is going to do that. But what is the difference? Assume that somebody is doing it from some other country with some other telephone number, with some other ID. How can you catch them?
Actually, sir, I'm speaking about the cinema or the content that is being streamed on the digital platforms.
That is what I am saying. Digital platform. On digital platform today is a Facebook. The Facebook account Dr. TPS starts in America in some number. How can you catch me? There are no ways. How can you catch somebody who sends a message on WhatsApp where the telephone number is from Uganda? My friend can start a WhatsApp from there. That instrument is given to me and I can do what I want. No. See, the digital world is not as some illiterate fellow thinks. It is a too wide and vast. But what they act, probably the people who wanted to really defame somebody will find their own method. They are criminals. They know how to do things. But what will happen, probably some innocent fellow by mistake he post or share something without looking at somebody share something. Finished. You are not seeing the whole content. You can be caught. Original creator may be from Uganda, but you by mistake shared it. Finished. You are caught and put in jail tomorrow. You don't see. When you look at, do you see 40 minutes video totally sometime? You don't even see. You don't know what is there at the end, right?
No, sir, I watch everything in full.
No. I am not talking. Asha is a different person. I am not talking about that. The other day in Bede, I was giving a lecture. See, controlling 600 people in front of you for hours together for a program is not that simple. So sometime what do is I will catch somebody and then smash them. Oh, what I did was, a girl, I was bending her and then on the back I just did tap. And somebody saw that video, immediately said exactly at time 22.30 minute and second you are beating somebody. Okay. But then what would have happened? He must have stopped there. He has not seen further. Actually, soon after that, that girl comes and smilingly she is speaking. You know why? Because I did not beat her at all. I was holding my hand and then I was beating like this to make the sound. I was not beating her. I was beating on my hand only. That's a drama which we show sometimes. I do this in many places. Understood? So, sometimes what happens is misled. Many things are misled. Assume you don't understand the context. Some small word from that can be picked up and then you can add it to some other word, edit it, and then it's original only, but I am mixing it in different context. It can fool. So there are many problems. So there are rules in this country. There are rules in many parts of the world. But Indian situation, rules are more twisted, interpreted, or maybe purchased by people who have money. That is not true in most of the other country. Punishment system is very harsh. It is not harsh in terms of killing some. There were chopping up the head and all was there. Not even that. I am saying today, assume that you do a mistake in America as a student. Probably the punishment is 15 days you have to clean the road. Social service is a punishment there. Indian system, social service is a voluntary activity.
Yes.
Got it? Assume you have done a mistake of crossing a road with telephone in the hand in Dubai. 500 dirhams is the fine. Say, I don't know exact amount. I am saying something.
Okay.
But you cannot pay 500 dirhams on a day, put a check and then say 500 dirhams I paid. No. You have to individually go and pay maybe 25 dirhams per day, 20 days.
Okay.
That means you are 20 days driving up to that place, you have to individually go. You understood? So it's very harsh. It's very, very harsh. That is why people are very cautious. Yesterday I was talking to some student. She was sitting in a college. Only 2 students were in the room, but they were wearing mask. I said, you can't change? No, the time you remove, finished, they will be fined. Because that's a public space. Whether somebody is there or not, it doesn't matter. The rule says public space, you have to wear mask. That's it. The rule. Rules are rules. That's it. So we have in IT, there are a lot of rules available to catch anybody who defames, who posts. But we are not activating it at the right time, right moment. I know I could have done, actually put somebody into trouble. Then I thought, no, when I do that, my parents will have problem, relatives will have problem. I am socially concerned about many people. And probably something have been written, then I have to maybe catch Milka and Hannah, Asha as evidences. Then you will be called into court. So then I will think, why should I disturb them? Let them do what they want. You understood? So this is, we are lenient to somebody. That doesn't mean the rules are not there. Rules are there. Individually, if I have a complaint, there is all provision in India to disturb somebody. And if somebody disturbs, the punishment system is also there, but it takes longer time, depends on. Everybody is not like a Pranab, no? Immediately you can take action, police will come help you, all that will not happen. Arnab. Pranab or Arnab. Whether president of Arnab, both are same now.
Yeah, sir, it happens, doesn't matter.
Yeah, media is like a fourth pillar. Either administration, politics, judiciary and media. Like a fourth pillar, they are trying to indulge in everything. So maybe somebody who is active on social media also is equivalent to a media.
Sir, why are you writing any more poems? You did not say anything after the...
There was once Balachandran Chullikad stopped writing and started acting. Somebody asked him, why you are not writing poetry? He says, by poetry writing I did not earn money, but by acting I started earning money and my wife started loving me more. Because when he was writing poetry, he used to be a drunkard, sleep somewhere, and the Sahitya, the Thrissur center is what his house was. Today he is very rich. His wife is also not stopped writing poetry. And another thing what he said is, I thought if I stop writing, Kerala poetry will have Varalcha, drought. And Kerala poetry will die. And I stopped writing, nothing happened to Kerala poetry. I don't have to feed with my poems. Not a must.
Yes, sir, not a must, but still readers are waiting, no?
See, the effort is, I will tell you, I must have spent lakhs of rupees for printing this. Similarly, I have got, when I keep all these books here beside me, looking at it pathetically sometimes, I must have spent maybe 5 lakhs. I must have spent another. So most of my money, when we write, we think we have to make it a book and print it and keep it. And distribute it free to many people. How long you can do that?
So you can write it as a blog or something like that.
How many people comment? How many people look at it?
Sir, you have.
See, assume I cook food.
Number of people reading that doesn't matter. Even somebody.
Yeah, it may not matter to Asha, but it matter to me. When I cook food, I enjoy. But if nobody is eating it, it goes waste.
No, sir. Before, when you talked about so many things, you mentioned like the number doesn't matter.
It matters. What I am saying is, there is no point in saying, after my death, there was one Dr. T.P. Shashikumar who used to write poetry. Is not good enough for me. I love somebody looks at it, somebody makes a comment, somebody share it. Because I am a social person, I enjoy every bit of words which comes out of it. And more than that, I am, instead of, suppose you want to write poetry, if I am in a mood of writing poetry today, Hannah comes, I will say today I am not free. I don't want to lose that. And every day I am having many, you know how many people call every day? I have got a lot of people calling me every day. So that is what Vivekananda said once. You must write the day when you don't have audience in front of you. I believe a poetry is much 100 times better than the 15-30 minutes which I have invested to Hannah today. Because I am basically a teacher, I am not a poet. Though by mistake some poetry comes out of me, that's not my main intention of life is to give some beneficial thing for creating a good life for somebody else. And I am not someone who writes beauty of flowers, beauty of sunlight, beauty of Lord Krishna. Krishna and all have been seen by many people in this world. Why should again I see from a different... It doesn't mean that I will not appreciate Yusuf Ali Kacheri seeing Krishna entirely different from some other poet. I look at something which has got a message, probably it has got something which comes out of my experience, and that contributes something to the society. So there is a social value or philosophy which I add to whatever I write. That's what I believe. I don't know how many of you, Milka or Hannah, as a student, have you seen Prime Ministers of India, Dr. TPS?
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I wrote a poetry and I made somebody else to sing. It talks about all the Prime Ministers from starting to today with the catchword what they did really for society, in some cases to get a rhythm. If you look at it, what I wish my children is to become torchbearers. It is not you see it. When you see somebody, you should share it. And then I feel so happy when yesterday when somebody spoke to me from Dubai, I asked, how do you know me? Then she said, some student from Kerala referred me. I said, who is that student? I remember all of my children. Then the name was told. Then I said, yeah, she is not from Kerala. She is from Arunachal Pradesh. Yeah, but Kerala is studying in Arunachal Pradesh. See the connection? Whom I met 5 years back. I wish somebody refers like that and get to me. That is what actually gives a feeling. Yeah, you are also carrying. You are all torchbearers. It is not you get a benefit. You should also feel like sharing to many. That should happen. The other day somebody asked whether I can join in ISER or not. Some teacher. Her daughter wanted to ask. How did I know? Sir, my colleague attended one of your class which you gave a career guidance in some place. So you imagine when the teacher talks to her colleague and she finds her daughter wanted to join, refers to me. And then another boy called, asked, how do you know? And this girl who was joining was connected by somebody else because she also got an ISER. Immediately she said, my confusion was cleared by Dr. TPS, you can ask him. So he called. So the connection is entirely like that. So I spend a lot of time in guiding children for getting into what future they want. That is what I believe is more beneficial. But sometimes we write. I think it's...
Doctor?
Yeah. Milka, no? Yeah.
Is there any difference in the high school studies between universities? I heard that in universities there are like Aligarh Banaras, there are classes up to 10th and on. So, is there any difference between Kerala state education and the classes in that universities and all? Because my sister is very much um, interested in studying there. So, is there any difference or benefit more in there?
See, what course? If you ask masala dosha is good, when immediately I should ask which hotel you want to go.
Yeah.
Pathan's hotel in Thrissur masala dosha is very tasty. So I must tell which hotel, what item, right?
Yes.
So which course?
So,
Banaras Hindu University is good for some subjects. Aligarh Muslim University is good for some other subjects.
Doctor,
Yeah,
she is currently in 7th standard.
yeah.
She searched and understand that there is classes up to 10th also. Plus 2 high second.
No university system in government India UGC runs high school plus 1 plus 2 classes. Universities run only graduation, post graduation. Most of the universities will not run post graduation, they run only post graduation, but they have affiliated colleges which are going to be graduation. But the new education policy 2020 says all that will be stopped. Only graduation will be run in some colleges, post graduation will be run in some colleges, research will be done in some other universities. They are going to segregate teaching and research separate. And every district will have one university. And all the colleges under that will become part of that. That means today we have in Kerala many universities. Agricultural University, Veterinary University, Medical University, Technology University, Cochin University separate. All that is going to be changed. There is no medical university, there is no technology university, there is no veterinary university, there is no agricultural university. Every university will teach everything. That is how in America Western system is. You cannot say I am a university means many subjects are being taught. The word university itself means many subjects together. Then how can you have veterinary alone? So this is what the future plan is. But that is only graduation, post graduation. Not going to be in the school level, that will be changed. The 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus, that system will come.
Rishi, I got that admit card of Aligarh Muslim University BLLB exam. So in the inspection, I saw that about the students were preparing for the entrance exam of 6th and 9th.
See, if you look at some colleges, some universities, they have central schools inside their campus.
Oh, that I asked.
There,
So I want to clarify.
suppose you look at government offices, ISRO. ISRO has got their own school. That doesn't mean ISRO is running the school. CRPF runs their own school. Many big universities inside the campus itself, for their employers, their children, they all need to have some school, right? So university doesn't run. These are all run by CBSE, central syllabus and such things. So that also is going to get merged into one scheme, national.
Yeah. So I want to clarify that.
Good enough? Hannah is happy or unhappy?
Yes, sir, I am happy to have a discussion with you.
Yes.
And thank you for clearing my doubt.
Asha, I can write poetry. I will write sometime, but not It is not like, I cannot write. Today, if you want, I can write a poetry on whichever topic you say. But that's all fun. I love to do some serious things in life. Yeah.
Sir, I understand.
Yeah.
I have read most of your works. That's why I asked.
Yeah, I love it. But what I'm saying is, somebody is doing farming, I love them more than dancers.
Yeah, true. That's why.
Productive.
That's why I keep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Right. Should I give a topic now?
Not required, yeah. Why should you disturb me? So Hannah should, that video making is for making your presentation skill also better. In the group I posted, but some people don't see that. I actually did not post, I posted in Facebook sometime. Then somebody saw in Facebook, they asked why you did not post in group, so that's why I posted there. Okay, when somebody see immediately, you must respond, seeing that, yeah, I am also making that. Milka, you should, that's why I said communication is not speaking when you are asked, pulled, writing, responding. See, not even a single unread message will be there in my mobile. Unless I finish and give a reply, unless it is annoying, I will not answer sometime. Otherwise, generally I answer, immediate I answer. If it can be answered. Sometime when I miss it, it is missed for many days. If I seen that and then I don't answer immediately, what will happen? Many other messages will come, I will miss it.
Yes.
Otherwise, I generally answer, immediate I will answer. Okay. Okay then. See, now itself there are at least 6-7 requirements. Somebody from somewhere wanted to some admission where I should get. So many things keep coming. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you, Asha. Thank you, Milka. Thank you, Hannah. Bye. So happy. Okay. Read, Hannah, before posting, before writing, and keep writing as a practice so that it will become refined.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay. Good.
Okay, sir, sure.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Doctor, journalists are someone who unaudible.
Yeah, audible. Tell me.
Journalists are someone who collects and write news stories
Yeah.
for magazines and all. News.
No, journalists are generally those who make collect news. Magazine is entirely different.
The description in the Oxford Dictionary
Yeah.
is like that.
That is because earlier newspaper was not daily.
Yeah.
Illustrated weekly. It comes once in a week.
Okay.
That carried news. Everyday printing was not part of it. So otherwise news collection is what journalists do. Journal means which is not there somewhere, you make it. That is what is called journal. When I write a paper, I published in journal. The publishing in journal means I am making something new. That's why it is called news.
Yes.
Yeah. So it can be monthly, it can be daily, it can be anytime. Yeah.
The reporters are the ones who
Collect.
reports the news.
Yeah.
So all the journalists are reporters. All the reporters are not journalists. Is
No.
that statement correct?
All the reporters are by, see, I can also report a news,
Yeah.
and then journalists validate that. Journalism need not be one message which you get. Investigative journalism means what? I go behind it and then catch. The first reporting need not be by me. Today it all works as an organization. Research desk, 24 news. It is not one journalist, it's a research desk. Many people do different. So anything which I do investigation is called investigative journalism. So reporting is not necessarily investigative. So journalism has got different part now. So all the reporters need not be journalists, all the journalists need not be reporters also.
All this. Okay.
Suppose I am the senior journalist, I will tell you there is a report which came, now you go and investigate. You become an investigative journalist there. Some people are investigative journalists. Investigation doesn't mean police type. They want to ask somebody. Interviewing itself is an investigative. You are investigating. You are understanding many things from my life. Okay. That all depends on which context and how it is interpreted. Generally, reporters need not be journalists, and journalists need not be reporters. I can also report a case. See, for example, when there is an accident, it goes to the hospital immediately. Hospital is supposed to report to the newspaper. So the doctor becomes a reporter, but he is not a journalist, right?
Yes.
The superintendent of police will become a reporter. I can write a press note and give it to somebody else. Tomorrow some activity is happening. I can make a press note, send it to press. Actually, the press note is a report. After happening, I can put a paper with all what happened and with a picture. They may publish, they may not publish. But I am not a journalist. I am an activist. I can be a politician. Any normal person can do that. Clear?
Clear. How is it improving?
How?
In my language, English, I have sent.
Quite a lot. Improved a lot.
Thank you. I was so worried.
No worry. You must practice. That's it. Everybody is good. Good in a different context. Probably you need to listen to somebody else. But think that speaking louder is good. Speaking faster need not be good. You don't have to be fast. You can think, speak slowly. That's also good enough. Putting them in a sequence, all that you have done perfectly well. Good.
Doctor, okay. My sister's ambition is to become a pilot. So, is there something I should guide her?
+1, +2, maths, physics, chemistry. And
That is sure.
And if she is not getting into Navy or Air Force, NDA, if that is not there, you should have 1 crore rupees as on today. By the time she pass out, it may be 2-3 crores.
I searched about it. Then I told her Navy NDA is much better because it is
Otherwise it's a costly affair.
First she was afraid. When attacks come like that, she's very. So
No.
then I motivated her. Then she's okay.
No, any commercial pilot license, small aircraft licenses, many countries will give you very fast. You can have a course and then they pay you, and then that means you need to spend money. But if you want to fly bigger ones as a commercial pilot, you need to get number of flying hours, which will cost. Actually, to get that, you will have to fly smaller ones, like a light vehicle to a heavy vehicle. Okay.
So now she may
She has to concentrate maths, physics, chemistry, and study well. That is what the minimum thing.
in the plus one plus two.
Plus one,
Now
plus
I'm
two.
also in plus one plus two.
And good English, good logical reasoning. The test is same. Almost everywhere same test.
Okay.
And NDA she can, but NDA is not for girls, only for boys.
Yes.
But Navy she can go. Air Force, I don't know whether direct pilot thing is not. It is there. Pilot thing is there. After graduation, I think they can go.
Oh.
Otherwise,
Not, direct.
join Indian Naval Academy in Edimala.
Indian Naval Academy.
Yeah, that is one of the best schools in Kerala, which is the best college for plus one, plus two, which is the best institute, Indian Naval Academy. Immediate job. It's a job selection plus one, plus two. I mean, BTech.
Okay.
Not plus one, plus two, BTech. After plus one, plus two, BTech.
After plus one plus two,
BTech.
Indian Naval Academy.
And you become a cadet there straight away. And they will teach you most of the helicopters. From that they will start.
Outside Kerala.
There are many pilot licensing centers.
So is
Private.
this is privatized
Private. Private.
fully privatized?
Fully private.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Okay. Bye. Asha, bye. Asha left it. Bye.
Thank you, doctor.
Bye, beta.